This is the organism Obelia, which belongs to phylum Coelenterate. So you can see that this look like the branches of tree, and you can see there are three kinds of joints here, and it is in trimorphic form. So it forms the three kinds of structures in the single body. So you can see here that this is forming the vertical as well as the horizontal branches. So this one vertical branches and horizontal branches. So horizontal branches are known as the hydrorhiza, and these vertical branches are named as the hydrocoli. Then the very important structure, that is the feeding organ. This is the polyp. You can see here this is a polyp which is bell shaped, and it bears the mouth as well as the tentacles. You can see here the tentacles are present and presence of mouth. So this is a polyp. So this is nutritive joint which feeds the colony. This is also the polyp. So this is the polyp. Then on its sides you can see this structure which is flask like. So this is a blastostyle. So this blastostyle, it gives rise to the medusa. So medusa is sexual form. So first form is the polyp which is nutritive in nature. Then second is blastostyle. So then third one is the medusa. So this is the structure. So you can see here. So outer layer is named as a perisarc, which is non-living, and inner is named as a cynosarc, which is a living material. Then you can see this diagram in detail here. So this is the polyp, and this blastostyle, this is bearing the medusa. These are umbrella shaped structure medusa. And here also, so this is trimorphic polyp, blastostyle, and this one blastula. So this one outer perisarc, inner cynosarc, which includes the cavity named as the gastrovascular cavity. So this is a diagram, and you can see here the life cycle of this Obelia here. This is a nutritive tissue polyp. Then as it grow, and then on one side it give rise to blastostyle, and blastostyle outer covering, this is forming the gonangium, and here the budding medusa are formed. So male medusa and female medusa, these are different types, these are formed here. And you can see the structure of medusa here. So here mouth is present, manubrium, that is enclosing the mouth, and four gonads are present here on the peripheral side. You can see here the four gonads. So this is the then producing the sperms as well as the egg, and then it will change into 2-cell stage, then 4-cell stage, and then later on it gives rise to the larva, that is a planura larva. This planura larva, it can swim, and later on this planura larva, it attaches with the substratum, and then again it forms a colony, which is forming first asexual form, polyp is formed, then blastostyle is formed, then again giving rise to the medusa. So here in detail you can learn about its life cycle. This is a female medusa, this is a male medusa. So both of them are producing egg and sperms, and then zygote is formed after fertilization, then 2-cell stage is formed, then 4-cell stage is formed, then blastula is formed, and then the free swimming larva, which is planura larva, that is formed. So this planura larva settle down and give rise to the young polyp, then it develops into the mature polyp and fully developed polyp, and it forming the colony, again giving rise to blastostyle, and blastostyle giving rise to the medusa. So this is again forming the structure like alternation of generation, but it differs from alternation of generation because in both stages, polyp as well as medusa, these are diploid in structure. So this term is named as the metagenesis. So it shows the metagenesis where polyp give rise to medusa, and blastostyle give rise to medusa, and medusa give rise to polyp. So this is a life cycle of the polyp. You can see here in this structure also. So you can see the life cycle of polyp. So this is male medusa, female medusa, Then eggs and sperms are formed, zygote, blastula, planula, then hydrula, and then again polyp, blastostyle, and medusa. So this is the structure of and life cycle of Obelia colony. So you can see the Obelia, which is a coelenterate.